You must have seen this penguin go viral all over the internet lately. The one where it just snaps out of the group, starts walking towards the mountain like it has a plan. No chaos, no hesitation, just I'm going there. And I don't know why, but that clip stuck with me. So I decided to dedicate a website to that moment. Here's what we're building today. As you scroll down the page, the penguins walk forward, and one penguin slowly separates from the group and starts heading towards the mountain. And I built this as a proof of concept for something bigger, that anti-gravity can handle complex polygon generation, 3D style scenes, movement and animation without you hand coding all of it. Everything is generated for free using simple prompts plus a few reference images to lock in the style. I'll drop every prompt I used in the description below so you can copy and paste them easily. Now let's start by opening AntiGravity and creating a new workspace. Once you've created the workspace, paste the first prompt in. The goal of this prompt is simple. Create a low poly polygon mountain in a 3D scene and place a penguin inside it. AntiGravity will ask for a few permissions. Allow them. Then it will show you an implementation plan. Open it, skim it quickly and hit proceed. Once it's done, run the project locally and preview it on localhost. At this point, you'll feel excited because the scene is already there. But now comes the main part. The scene might exist, but the style might be off. The mountain might feel too flat, and the penguin might look weird. So instead of guessing what to change, you do the smart thing. You give it a target. Upload a reference image of the exact low poly mountain style you want and tell AntiGravity to match that exact look while keeping the layout the same. Wait a few seconds and refresh the localhost and you'll see it move closer to your desired style. Now here's the first issue I hit. My penguin was facing the camera, but I wanted to face the mountain like it's looking at the view. And this is where the workflow gets stupidly easy. Because you don't need to touch the code, you treat it like a design fix. Take a screenshot of the preview, upload it to AntiGravity, and describe the problem in one line. Rotate the penguin so it faces the mountain and keep everything else the same. And once you see that working, you'll understand the whole game. Generate, preview, screenshot, fix, and repeat. That loop is what takes you from a cool demo to something that looks clean and intentional. Now sometimes AntiGravity changes the site too much. In my case, the penguin started to look like a pencil sketch, and that's fine because you know the problem is obvious, so you tighten the instruction. Upload a strong reference image of a clean polygon penguin and tell it to match that exact look. Not pencil, not sketch, low poly polygon. Now we need to fix the mountain layer next. Even if the shape is good, the texture and shading can feel boring. So you do the same thing. Upload one reference image for the mountain texture and lighting and tell AntiGravity to match that shading while keeping the mountain style the same. Refresh the preview and the scene instantly feels more high-end. And once you get used to this, adding sections become easy too. Once you're done with everything, scroll through the full page from top to bottom. Make sure the scroll feels smooth and make sure nothing jumps while the 3D scene is active. Also, if anything feels off, screenshot it and fix it with one line. That's the whole workflow. Basically, build the first version fast, match the style with references, fix problems with screenshot, and repeat until it looks right. Now, here's one more fun upgrade before we ship the layout. You can add background music in seconds. Go back into AntiGravity and ask it to add the background music that fits the vibe. Plus a mute toggle. For this website, I want something dramatic and cinematic. And I want a simple mute and unmute button. Let AntiGravity finish the work and refresh and preview the page. And you'll see an audio button. Click here to unmute and click again to mute. Done. Now, before we convert this into a WordPress theme, I want to talk to you about something important that a lot of you have asked about in my previous videos. Whenever you build with AI and tools like AntiGravity, the design can look insane, but the code underneath can be a little sloppy. Not always, but often enough that I don't take chances. One missing check, one weird script, one loophole you didn't notice, and suddenly your cool scroll site becomes a headache. So here's what I do on all of my websites. I install malware. Start with the free plan first. It gives you a basic firewall and malware scanning, so you're not completely exposed. But if you're putting this on a real domain or a client site, I genuinely recommend you to use the Protect plan. That's what I use because for about $60 a year, it gives you a stronger firewall layer, bot protection, and geo-blocking, so you can lock things down before the site ever becomes a target. Alright, that's it. Now you can convert this into a WordPress theme and add it to your website to make it live. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to do this, then click here and watch this video. And once you've built this, you can swap the penguin for any character, any theme, or any story. And if you want to learn how to speed up this website you just made to get a 90+ page speed score, then click here and watch this video.